Good morning to all the dignitaries. I am Cadet Sakshi Anand from Bihar and Jharkhand Directorate, Gaya Group. And today I am going to speak on the topic duties of citizens as per the Constitution of India. Every person has some duties and responsibilities at every stage of their life. As a law student, I believe that every citizen has some duties towards his nation. There are 5 whys and 2 hows for the duties of citizens. Like, why we need to abide by the Constitution? Who fulfill all these duties? What are the duties that a citizen should follow? Where these rights are derived from? When these fundamental rights and duties were added in the Indian Constitution? How the fundamental rights and duties brings a big difference in the nation? How much abidance of these duties are necessary for citizens? So to answer these questions, in 1975, Indian government felt that Indians have no realization of these duties. So in 1976, while emergency, Indian government formed a committee, that is Swan Singh Committee, to make a realization of duties to the citizens. Originally, in our Constitution, there were only fundamental rights and fundamental duties were not in the frame. So this committee recommended that we should introduce a separate chapter for the fundamental duties, and then government came up with the 42nd Amendment Act. Currently, Indian citizens have 11 fundamental duties mentioned in Article 51A of the Indian Constitution. Fundamental duties are applicable to citizens only. Purpose of fundamental duties is to stop anti-social activities like burning of flag, disrespect to the Constitution, etc. Duties are like a reminder to the citizens. Fundamental duties promote discipline and commitment. These are the basic objective of the fundamental duties. There's a question in everyone's mind that how fundamental duties are a mean of achieving responsible citizenry. So let's answer this. A responsible citizen is the one who performs all his social, moral and ethical obligations and his duty towards the state and fellow citizens. Fundamental duties are the guiding principle for citizens to perform their duties and responsibilities. There's a very important case of MC Mehta versus Union of India of 1983. In this case, Supreme Court mentions Article 51A Clause G must be fulfilled, and for this, every education institution should introduce a lesson on the protection of natural environment. This case shows that our duties can bring a big difference if we follow it seriously. Adherence of fundamental duties is very much important for society, like the protection of natural environment. I'll end up with a quote by Mahatma Gandhi that no people can have risen who thought of only right, only those who did so who thought of duties. Thank you so much for listening. Jai Hind.